This video is about the prices of hollow block making machine here in Citi Hardware, Liloan, Cebu. What you're looking at here is the proper machine now available here in Citi Hardware. This is the hollow block maker. Hollow block makers are now becoming popular as more and more people in the Philippines are building by a hollow block. Although I tell you the hollow block that we have here available in most hardware are not load bearing. They are just receptacles for your proper mix. So here, for people, my OFW brothers and sisters, you are looking for a business when you retire from your stint there in abroad, and then you want to make your business, like one of the suggestion here is hollow block making. So now in Citi Hardware, they are selling this kind of machine. It also comes with a 1.5 horsepower motor. It's now a complete set and all the mechanisms are there. This is the 6-inch, this 3 pieces capacity, 6-inch making hollow block. It's very solid. I have featured a few of this that's made by the local fabricators in Dumlog, Talisay, and it's not like this quality. I will show you the metal that they're using. This machine cannot even be lifted by 2 people. It has to be 4 because it's really heavy. They're using the proper metals needed to make a hollow block making machine. So like I said, it comes with a 1.5 horsepower motor. It's an electric motor, by the way. You can see there's the box. That's where the motor is going to be connected with your machinery with instructions. So this alone will cost you, the machine with the motor is 38,612 pesos. This is 3 pieces, 6-inch hollow block with 1.5 horsepower motor. So 6 inches. Now we go to the 4-inch one. Again, same quality metal like this thick. I can't even lift it up. This is the 4-inch one. It comes with a 1.5 horsepower electric motor. You're looking at the price of 37,612. So far, both machines will cost you around 75,000. But you know the plates, these are the 6-inch plates. You can buy it here as many as you can. That's very thick, not like the thin one that my neighbors use. This is 90 pesos each. And then the 4-inch one is 65 pesos each. So this is also available here in Citi Hardware. Now this is 37,612 hollow block making machine. This is the one that shakes and shapes the hollow blocks. Now, when you want to mix your mortar, by the way, this is the electric motor that comes with your 37,612 hollow block making machine. It is well built. This is one of the best made hollow block making machine I've seen in all my blogs, so I know what I'm talking about because I feel some of the things that my neighbors are using are really very thin. They keep on repairing it, but this is the best so far I've seen. Now for the mortar mix, it comes with the hollow block making machine is this one. They got here the crane type C power crane bucket for 1 cubic meter capacity. That is 82,490. Again, this is in Home Builders. Now this is the proper mortar mixer with the machine included. It's got a 5 horsepower electric motor that comes with a price of 104,160. So you can see that it's well built. Some of these mixers that I seen in my neighborhood is not built like this. Look at that. Then that's the 5 horsepower machine, electric motor that comes with it. It's there from Meiji. And look at the rebars has been used where the mixing will be done. Look at that. Yeah, although you can have it cheaper, but look at that. It's how thick is the metal that they use for this mixer. In my neighbors, I'm sorry to compare because it's just made of very thin metal sheets, like a roofing sheet, just fabricated, but this is the real thing. The machine itself is well made, so you know it's gonna last a lifetime. So you got the different kind of mixer. That one, 82,000. This is 82,000 C power mixer. This is how it looks inside there, and all the muck will come out from the bottom here. It doesn't say that it comes with a motor, so this is just the crane bucket. You're paying for 82,490, but it's solid made as well, and it's a different mechanism. It's the bucket type to put on your mix, and this is what the style of what's usually used around the hollow block making places here in the Philippines. But like I said, it's not well built like this. So with your investment of the proper machines, proper tools, proper equipment as thick as this, and also that's 104, that's 75, that's 184. I could remember asking the people that's making the hollow block machines how much is the total equipment with number 4 hollow block maker, number 6 hollow block maker, and including the motors. I know it was priced at 220. So buying it here in Citi Hardware, you can have it cheap than what's on the fabricated, jacked up by those hollow block maker. I don't know why it's so expensive, 220 for the 3 sets, which include 2 machines and a mixer that's made of thin metal. And you don't know the capacity of the engine that's comes with it, because they will buy the China made one, although I think this is also China made. But with the Citi Hardware behind the backing of all of this, you will have the warranty that comes with buying a 1-year warranty. So that's the mortar mixer with 5 horsepower electric motor. Then the 4-inch hollow block maker. There's the hollow block maker with all your pull out pole there ready to be used by your worker, and your motor of 1.5 horsepower. That's 38,812. Now this is the 4-inch one, again with 1.5 horsepower motor there, and all the mechanism inside. You can see that it's well built, easy for you to repair if there's any trouble. So then you got your plates. There's 65 pesos each, in which you can also fabricate yourself. Just buy a couple and copy it to the metal that you like. There. That's 90 pesos for the 6-inch, 65 pesos for the 4-inch. And it's available here right now in Citi Hardware when you can start your own hollow block making business of less than 200,000 pesos. It's all the same color yellow, so your business will have all uniform.